Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preventing further data loss. Immediately stop browsing or saving files on the affected device so deleted history entries aren't overwritten. Next, check whether the browser was syncing to an account or if Windows File History, Time Machine, or a cloud backup exists. Those are the fastest restores. Once done, attach an external drive for recovered files, sign in with admin rights, and install a reliable recovery tool. This prepares everything so you can safely extract the deleted history records. You now locate the browser's local databases, Chrome's history, Firefox's places, SQLite, Edge's Web Cache v01, DAT, then work on a copied disk image to avoid changing the source. Use your recovery tool to undelete those specific DB files. If successful, open them read-only with SQLite browser to inspect timestamps and URLs. If the DB is corrupted or missing entries, perform file carving on the image to recover fragments, then reconstruct rows. Make sure to document file paths and hashes while you proceed to validate recovered items. You finish by importing recovered history entries into a test browser profile or convert the SQLite export to CSV for review. Verify timestamps and visit sequences to ensure integrity. Once satisfied, preserve the original recovered files on your external drive and work from copies. If something goes wrong, recovery yields incomplete data. Make sure to try alternative sources: DNS cache, local router logs, ISB records if available, or the account's cloud activity export. If needed, rerun carving with different settings and keep detailed notes of each attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.